Hi, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Okay, ngayon po tatalakayin naman natin yung pinakahuli, yung unmanaged VPS. Okay, sa 5 types na tinakol natin sa 5 types of VPS. Okay, aware ko lang po, this is more on insight lang. Hindi po to more on actual or more on knowledgeable na po talaga ako. So, let's proceed and continue for the last topic ng VPS, unmanaged VPS. Okay, there's no pre-installed software to manage the VPS or virtual private server. It's not restricted to a single application and OS and security and customization. Okay, si unmanaged VPS po, dito talaga makakatipid ka because cost saving over managed VPS. Kay managed VPS talaga, user planning nandyan na eh. Ilalagay mo na lang yung data mo. Ilalagay mo na lang, convert mo saglit. Okay na siya. Kay unmanaged VPS, iba. Si unmanaged VPS, from the start, from the scratch, ikaw po talaga ang gagawa. Ikaw ang mag-uumpisa. Ano yung diferensya lang niya kay managed VPS? Si managed VPS, nandun meron ng tech support. Okay na siya. Pero si unmanaged VPS, okay, wala kang 24/7 IT support. Baga wala kang support kasi unmanaged yun eh. So ikaw talagang gagawa. So ang kailangan mo dito is dapat meron kang experience. Alam mo kung paano siya gawin. Okay? So kung gusto mo makatipid dito ka kay unmanaged VPS, marami naman po mga tutorial na pwede pumunta po kayo kay YouTube. Pwede po kayong bumili ng mga tutorial learning about the how to configure unmanaged VPS. Okay? So, yun po ang napakaganda doon. Lower cost, but you can manage your own. Okay? And then, sa pag-update po ng operating system, napakahirap po kay unmanaged VPS. Okay? And then, yun, si unmanaged VPS naman, take time to away, so kailangan mo talagang i-focus, i-concentrate mo sa pagtatrabaho tong unmanaged na to kasi para magawa mo ng paraan. Sabi ko nga kanina, you look for some of the tutorials like in the YouTube, pero sa YouTube hindi lahat kasi step by step kung ano lang yung hinahanap mo, yun lang talaga yung pwedeng ituro dito. Yan, and then that's the insight. Okay, next. So dito po yung skills required ni unmanaged VPS. Okay, kailangan talaga magaling kang mag-Linux command line or yung command prompt sa Windows pa. Okay, way back in my college day, nung one of my subjects, server administration. Okay, tinuruan lang po kami paano lang mag-open ng Linux, paano mag-open ng kanyang server, paano lang siya icon. Pero hindi po talaga kami tinuruan about how to configure kasi nga hindi pinapractice rin na yun ng teacher o ng nagtuturo sa amin kung paano siya gawin. Kasi at the time sa school namin, medyo hindi pa siya talaga tinatakol yung hindi pa talaga siya pinupokus yung server configuration kasi madugo to mahirap talaga siyang gawin. Okay? And then kailangan alam mo din yung SSH and then web server software management. So alam mo to sila, alam mo itong gawin. Dapat kung sa server kaya parang nagpo-program ka rin dito. So kailangan talaga maintindihan ko, magets mo to. So operating system configuration and all, alam mo. Security information and event management. And then this is the disaster recovery DR. Okay. Hence ko lang po sa inyo ang unmanaged skills po talaga o unmanaged VPS, this is more kailangan talaga tech savvy ka dito. Yung talagang focus nyo yung server configuration. Yun ito na talagang kinakain niya. But you need to pay an IT the higher than the minimum kasi mahirap to, masakit to sa ulo. You need to think more of balat na how to manage and how to implement on this. Pero kung IT ka, magaling ka, then good for you. Okay? At least mako-configure mo siya. And then, this is the example of the VPS. Sabi ko nga, kung IT ka or gusto mo talaga italakayin, uh, sugupain tong UnManaged VPS, gusto mong subukan at gusto mong kasi try this. But yun nga, you are the responsible for everything. Ikaw ang gagawa ng lahat. So talagang medyo kailangan mo siyang bigyan ng tuon. So yun lang po, maraming salamat. Hanggang dito lang po. See you on another video. Thank you and